how to fix Instagram professional account not switching to personal account. If you want to fix Instagram professional account not switching back to personal account, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now, once you're here, you need to scroll down and then go with Help Center. And you can go with Report a Problem, tap on Report Problem without shaking, and tap on Include. And here you need to type in, I'm unable to switch my account from professional to personal. Please help me. And send. Once you've sent, you can go back and your problem might be fixed. You might get some guide. Or you can just simply go back and here you will have account privacy. Here you need to turn on the private account, and if you are not being able to switch to a private account or a personal account, then you need to switch your account type at first. So go back and then tap on Create Tools and Controls, scroll down and then go with Switch Account Type, and here you need to switch to a personal account. Tap on Switch to a personal account and then go back and then try to change your account privacy to a private account. This will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.